Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Gather tools and confirm exact measurements before you begin mounting the dartboard. Set the bullseye height to 5 feet 8 inches from the finished floor. Measure and mark the osh distance at 7 feet 9, 25 inches for steel tip darts. Use a stud finder to locate a reliable stud behind drywall. If you find a stud, accept that as your primary anchor point. Prepare a drill with a 3/16-inch pilot bit for a 1/4-inch lag bolt. Keep a level and pencil handy for precise alignment. Mark the bracket center so the bullseye aligns at 5 feet 8 inches exactly. Hold the bracket against the wall and confirm it is level with a bubble level. Drill a 3/16-inch pilot hole into the stud for a clean lag bolt entry. Fasten a 1/4-inch by 2.5-inch lag bolt through the bracket into the stud snugly. If no stud is available, install heavy-duty toggle anchors rated for at least 50 pounds per anchor. Recheck the bracket level and adjust before fully tightening the lag bolt. Lift the dartboard onto the mounted bracket and seat it until it is flush. Confirm the board face is perfectly level and the bullseye remains at 5 feet 8 inches. Measure from the throwing line at 7 feet 9, 25 inches to the board face to verify regulation distance. Gently tug the board to ensure the bracket holds without movement or wobble. Install a sisal surround or protective backing if you want to protect the wall from stray darts. Inspect mounting hardware at least once per year, and replace any loose lag bolts or worn anchors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.